Hey family, welcome back to another fragrance review. It's your boy Russell Mack. And guys, we're going to interrupt regular scheduled programming. This is just a impromptu, quick first impression or presentation, if you will. Let me turn my music down. You know I don't own the rights to none of this music. That's your boy Dre and Snoop Dogg. Anyway, we got a package today, and I didn't want to open it without you guys. You know, the channel is growing now. So I want to share everything with my family. Can I do it? Yeah, I can do it. Listen, if you're new to the channel, this is your first time catching me, the OG Mr. Russell Mack, welcome to the channel. I would love for you to become a part of the family. You know what to do. Just like, share the video, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon. Do all those nice things for your boy. It'll help the analytics out. I really would appreciate it. All right, look. We got a box from Kilian. There we go, baby. I think it's what I ordered a while ago, and it finally made it. We got a knock at the door. Talia went down, and when it came up, she says by Kilian. This knife sharp, y'all. Look at it. It's a sharp knife. It is two-headed, two blades. It's shaped like a bat, you know. One of my favorite cartoon characters, Batman. Anyway, let's see. We got it open. And then I like this that Kilian sends their stuff in a black box. Yeah. They just put the label on it. So the packaging, as you see, it's got paper everywhere. It's all wrapped up in paper. All this paper. Look at that, y'all. That's the box, black box. And let me see if I can find the order. Now, try not to hold you long, but I gotta share it with my family. So they made sure that nothing was damaged. They got paper. Good. Look at all that paper, y'all. All right, here we go. That's it. Then this is a huge Ziploc bag. Kilian bag, I guess. Oh, wow. Feel like they put me something extra in the box. Okay, this is, looks like Love Don't Be Shy, the deluxe sample. Yeah, that's what it is. Love Don't Be Shy, deluxe sample. I'm not gonna spray this because who knows, yeah. I can't smell it, but I'll smell it later, and maybe we'll do a review on it, who knows, okay? So, this is Love Don't Be Shy, deluxe sample. We'll smell that one later. Let's get to what this video is really about, okay? I'll set this to the side for right now. This is what I've been waiting on. Okay, nothing else in there. Here we are, y'all. Angel share. Yes, Lord. I got it. I finally got my angel share. Talia, show them the box.
Okay,
show them, tell them the color of the box.
Black box. Go right at the bottom. It states the meal, which is a 50 ml 1.7 ounce, and the parfum concentrate, which is a Du Parfum. Angel Share by Kilian in white. Okay, you have the sun at the top in gold, but all around it's black.
Black all around. Thank you, ma'am. So, the box opens like this. I like that. I like that presentation. And I'm smelling it through the box, y'all. So, it opens up like this. The Angel Share sits down in this box. Wow. Wow. There it is, guys. There it is, gang. Show them that to Leah. What color that is. Show them what color that is.
Clear or crystal. Look like amber color juice in it. You can tell it's a gold atomizer inside. With the gold plaque with angel share in white.
Let's see. Let's take it off and we can show them the atomizer. There you go. Show them the atomizer.
Yes, gold atomizer with their sun right there, if you guys can see.
So guys, this feels like very hard plastic, but it's a quality plastic. And this top reminds me of the Ursa top. Y'all know how the Ursa top is round, just like this, thick like this. But this should have been, for much as I paid for this, because you can get a 50 mil like this for, I think it's $199 plus tax. I paid for 2-day shipping, overnight shipping. But overnight was $20. And I knew they wasn't going to get it. And once I put the overnight, they told me, well, you know, they told me, well, this may be a problem, blah, blah, blah. You may have to wait an extra day. So I bumped it down to the $15 2-day shipping. And that didn't happen. So I called to buy Kilian. And I'm glad to say I got to give Kilian props. They were very, very nice. The customer service is absolutely excellent. The guy ended up refunding me all of my shipping, so I got my little $15 back. And the stuff still came today. So really it was 2 days. Maybe a day, 2 days and a half. So they did give me back my money, and I got my product. It's not damaged at all. So this is what we'll do. I'm not going to spray it right now. I love the way this looks. This is gorgeous, y'all. It doesn't twist though. This clicks on, but the top it spins. See, it clicks on like that. What we'll do, I'm not going to spray it until we do a first impression. How about that? I love the angel share plaque there. Oh man, shaped like a diamond. I love this, guys. Beautiful. This is what I've been waiting on. I got it right in time for the fall and winter. And I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy I got it. So what I'll do, we'll do a full review within the coming days. And we'll spray it then, and we'll do a full review with the notes and everything else, okay? So that's it, guys, for my impromptu. Thank you all so much for joining me. I'm your boy, Russell Mack, signing out. I'll see you guys soon for another review. God bless you all. Peace, fam.